Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and moving immediately to Settings. This saves time and avoids distractions. Click the three-dot menu at the top right, then choose Settings from the drop-down. Once done, look for the Appearance and On Startup sections. These control what you see first. Make sure you're signed into Chrome if you want sync across devices. You're now ready to change the homepage target to Google and set startup behavior to open it automatically. Next, you'll configure the homepage and startup page so Google appears when you open Chrome. Under Appearance, enable Show Home button and click Change. Type https://www, google.com and confirm. Then in On Startup, choose Open a specific page or set of pages, add a new page, and paste the same Google URL. Once saved, Chrome will use Google both for the Home button and when launching the browser, ensuring consistency. Finally, verify the change by closing and reopening Chrome. You should land on Google. If you do not, make sure extensions aren't overriding your homepage, disable suspect extensions, and test again. If problems persist, clear cache and site data, or use Chrome's Reset Settings option to restore defaults, then reapply the Google URL. One key troubleshooting tip. Check for managed policies on work devices. Since organization policies can prevent homepage changes, contact your admin if that's
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.